Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something fundamental yet crucial in the realm of computers, finding your IP address. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues or just curious, knowing your IP address can be quite handy. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's clarify what an IP address is. IP stands for Internet Protocol, and it's essentially a unique identifier assigned to each device connected to a computer network. It's like your computer's digital address on the internet. Now, there are a few ways to find your computer's IP address, but I'll show you one of the simplest methods. If you're using a Windows operating system, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start menu. 2. Type CMD into the search bar and hit Enter. This will open the command prompt. 3. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig and press Enter. 4. Look for the IP4 address under the section corresponding to your network connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. This is your computer's IP address. And there you have it. Your computer's IP address is right there in front of you. Pretty simple, right? That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy computing!